Welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. Today we're going to do some smoked cheese. Before we get started, click the subscribe button. We've got lots of great videos for you. Thank you. Okay, normally when people have a smoked cheese video, they're using one of these amazing smoker tubes, and they work great. But I'm going to do a smoked cheese for you on my tailgater at the P7 level, and you'll see it turns out great. It works. Give it a try. Okay, we're going to smoke some pepper jack cheese, some sharp cheddar, and some Monterey Jack. Those three usually smoke very well. Just want to get them cut up and put onto a little rack. Here's the tailgater, ready for the smoker. We're going to use hickory smoke today. Let's turn this to smoke. Start it up. We'll be back in a minute, let it warm up. Okay, we've got our cheese all cut up and ready for the smoker. We'll just let it let we've got our little tailgater. It's down to 105. You can see that. The top is only, it's not even registering 100. And then I've added, and look at this thing, it's just smoking like crazy. I added a little brick in there just to keep the cheese off of the grate. Here's the cheese. We're going to get this on here. And I'll keep a close watch on this. But it is smoking really good. Just to make sure that we don't get the cheese melting. It is about 45 degrees out today. So I'll check it back in about 15 to 30 minutes just to make sure we're not melting our cheese. Okay, 1 hour in, and it's showing a little over 100. This has jumped up to 125. Let's check out. It's after 30 minutes. Boy, there's a lot of smoke. The cheese is still cool. A little warmer on this side. I'll move this over here. This one over here to keep it further away from the heat pot on this is over here on the left. So we'll let it go a little longer. 1 hour in. Keep checking it though. That's showing 120. Showing over 100 up here. Let's check it out. Oh, it's looking okay. Cheese is getting a little sweaty. Not melting yet. That one kind of is. Let's see. Oh yeah, that one is. Okay. I think what I'm going to do is turn them all, let them go for a bit longer. Okay, I want to get 3 hours out of this, but we'll see. Half hour ago, I put this little piece of wood in there, kicked it open about half an inch. I don't know if you can see that. Barely my finger width. Smoking really good. This is now showing down to 105. This is now showing under 100, so let's give it a look. All right, those look really good. Nothing melting. Okay, we're gonna go another 30. Trying to get 3 hours out of this. We're an hour and a half in. The temperature's climbed again. That's just over 100, so let's give it a go. Oh yeah. Well, that one over here looks like it's melting a little bit. Yep. I may not make 3 hours, but it sure has a lot of smoke on it. You can sure tell at that. So, I guess I may just go ahead and call them at 2 hours. So 2 hours, I went ahead and pulled them off, but you can tell there's lots of smoke. They are shiny and greasy, so they're sweating a bit. This one here got a little too close to the fire. It'll be all right though. We'll vacuum seal these, let them sit for probably 3 weeks, and then dig in. Gotta love smoked cheese. The P7, it worked. Probably a little hotter than we should, but hey, it's smoke on the Pit Boss. So it's been 3 weeks since I smoked this cheese, and I put it in this vacuum seal. And just one of the uses for smoking cheese, I'm going to use it on some nachos. I usually got to go at least 2 to 3 to 4 weeks of letting the cheese in the vacuum sealer rest and absorb into the cheese. It is really delicious. Cheese and crackers. You can use this smoked cheese on anything. We put it in our tacos. I'm going to put it here on our nachos. So I'm just going to shred some up. This one here, that's pepper jack, smoked pepper jack cheese, and this is smoked Monterey Jack. We'll just mix them up. Oh, that smells so good. Okay, we're gonna get our chips. Throw it on your chips like that. I don't know if you've seen my video for smoking salsa, but yeah, it looks like we need a little bit more. I made a bunch of smoked salsa. I jarred it. When you jar it, make sure you have enough vinegar. Okay, I've already got my smoked salsa dumped on there. I'll throw this in the microwave, heat it up, and enjoy me some smoked cheese and salsa on the nachos. Okay, these nachos are done. Oh, you gotta try these. Let me try them. Smoked salsa. That's smoked cheese. Wonderful. All right, get out there and smoke yourself some cheese. Hey, thanks for watching this smoked cheese. You gotta try it, and you'll love it. It's absolutely delicious. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and check out our other videos at ManKitchenRecipes. Have a great day.